أفرج علينا صبرا وتوفنا مسلمين ربنا لا تجعلنا فتنة للقوم الظالمين ربنا لا تجعلنا فتنة للقوم الظالمين.
So everybody wants to enjoy his own life. That's how they preferred Christianity. That is a way of life unto them. But Islam is a religion of God. The only. Any other thing called religion is a makeup. A packaged by men to cheat other men, to cheat their gullible followers. Islam has no secret that one cannot dabble to. No. Now, going back to lay my life, according to what Jesus said, that the Christian insisted on. I quoted 1 John chapter 3 verse 16. The Bible said this is how we know what love is. Christ gave us his life. Christ gave his life for us. We too, that is, all the entire Christian, either here or there, then ought to give our life to others. Which means, the Christian that is still living now, you are going to hell. I'm not judging you. If truly Jesus died for you, Jesus laid down his life for you, you must also lay your life down for me and my family. At least you are still living because Jesus has died for you. That's why you are still alive. So, being alive is a sin unto you. Because according to this verse, it said, ought to give our life for others. The entire Christian should give their life to the Muslims, to the idol worshippers, to the free thinkers. Because Jesus has died for them. They must die for us. If you don't die for us, you are not going to heaven, no, you are going to hell. Which means you don't love others. Jesus said, love your neighbor as you love yourself. So showing me love is to die for me as a Christian. And I'm very sure none. And I'm challenging all my Christian friends. You must die for me as Christ died for you. Or else you are going to hell. So that's just the meaning. If you believe that Jesus has laid down my life for you, yeah, you need to lay down your life for me as well. Let me read it again. 1 John, Epistle of John, chapter 3, verse 16. He said, this is how we know what love is. Christ gave his life for us. We too then ought to give our life for others, for your brothers and sisters. So, what are you still waiting for?
To be clearly recorded is that in the open historical documents that Jesus actually died. It is
now, where is it recorded? Where has it been proven that Jesus actually die and resurrect. I'm challenging the Christians all over the world. For me to believe that you really died and resurrected in your Bible, I have 5 questions that is attached to it. Let me just ask the questions. 1. How was he arrested? Was it through Judas' kiss or self-recognition, or was he arrested twice? If it is historically proven. That's the first question. Second question goes thus. When he was arrested, according to the story, who took the cross to Golgotha, that place of skull? Was it Jesus himself or Simon that was forced to take the cross there? That's the second question. Third question. When they got there, there are 2 thieves that were nailed according to the story in the Bible with him on that cross. Which of them insulted Jesus? 2 or 1? You mean the 2 insulted Jesus or 1 insulted him? The fourth question. How was he crucified? On a cross or on a tree? Is he on a cross or on a tree? Another question. Around what time? What time? What was the exact time he was crucified? What was the exact time he was crucified? If truly it was on record that Jesus died and resurrected on the 3rd day. Those are the questions to be answered by the Christians. Another question is, okay, it's more than 5. Okay, let me just add 1. What time was he crucified? Let me add this as well. Judas Iscariot, that was lied against, that kissed Jesus, according to their record. We were told that he bought a piece of land. Was it Judas that bought the land, or the elders with the money? According to the story, was it Judas that bought the land, Al-Kedama land, or the chief priest who bought the land? Those are the 6 questions for now. If any pastor can answer just 1 out of 6, maybe he has tried. But I know no one can answer the 6th question. Nobody. So how do you not expected me to believe that you all died and resurrected when you are still even alive? When you are still alive. You don't love me? You don't love others. Love your neighbor, so love yourself. You don't love your neighbor, I'm your neighbor. The idol worshippers are the name of the Christians whom Christ died for. The atheists, likewise the free thinkers, and the Muslims, we are your neighbors. Why are you still living on earth? And you even pray to live long? Why now? Do you want me to perish? Die for me now. I know you don't do that. Now, let's continue.
Historically recorded that he was buried, and the tomb where he was buried was the tomb of Joseph of Arimathea, who was a publicly known figure all over Israel. Is there on record?
Now, let me go to that of Joseph Arimathea issue. I told you that no pastor on earth understands the Bible. They don't know the Bible at all. I don't know what they are teaching in their various theological schools they attended or they were attending. I don't know what they are being taught. I don't